And this in the financial year 2024, sir,
Ah,
the transaction has been 68 millions. Is it true, sir?
yes, 68 million means 6 crores,
6 crores.
80 lakhs transactions. Million
Okay.
means 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs transactions. And all these transactions are fully digital and paperless loans. There is
Okay.
no requirement of any providing any paper or anything service,
Okay.
anything to the lender as well as by the borrower. No paper. What will call no interface is required also. No introduction is required. No need not contact physically or paperless also. And for this purpose, the company ONDC has entered into some companies: EasyPay, Paisa Bazaar, Tata Digital,
Ah, yes, sir.
Invoice Pay, Click 360, Zypar, IndiePay, Tireplex, and Pay Nearby. All these companies are fintech companies, and these companies will help the ONDC to reach the consumer, to reach the payer as well as recipient. And for insurance products, Aditya Birla for loan finance, Aditya Birla Finance, DMI Finance, Karnataka Bank is already on the platform of ONDC, on ONDC platform. These multiple digital systems in the single process means by entering into by registering with the ONDC, you can have multiple. You can purchase, you can sell, you can borrow, you can lend, you can borrow, you can invest in mutual funds, you can purchase insurance policies, you can pay life insurance. All these are possible by registering with one ONDC platform. Of course, this may be small amount, but this will help the people who are residing in remote places, those who doesn't have access to the offices of these companies, banks or financial institutions, insurance companies. They can get the services, and that will reduce the operational cost. Main advantage, operational cost.
Yes, sir.
If any bank wants to establish an office, it has to spend lakhs of rupees a month. But because of these digital transactions, they need not bank need not open a branch office there. Just they can digitally they can do that. We have seen some banks in somewhere I've heard that one bank is having 30 crore accounts with no branches. One bank, 30 crore accounts, no branches. And that is possible because of digital revolution and reliable digital revolution, free from cyber fraud or cyber crimes, scams, all this. So this makes the more financial inclusion, fostering economic development, economic growth, opportunity for all lower small businessmen, and also to emergency people, for low people who need emergency small amounts of 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 like that. It is possible with this ONDC platform. Until now, the transactions nearly more than 6 crore transactions the ONDC has executed, and this is possible because of the one more advantage of this ONDC platform is the middlemen will be reduced.
Okay.
Middlemen will be reduced because of middlemen. What is happening is, suppose agriculture product is there, from producer to consumer, there are 7 to 8 middlemen is there. If every person adds 5 to 10%, and 10 rupees becomes 100 rupees. So if there is no middleman, the purchaser can, the producer can sell at instead of 10 rupees, he can sell 20 rupees. The seller, the purchaser, can purchase instead of 100 rupees, he can purchase it for 30 rupees or 40 rupees. So both are benefited. The main advantage of the digital marketing or e-commerce platforms is the elimination of middlemen. And that will encourage the producers, service providers with good high revenues, and also quality and quantity timely supply to the consumers. And this will help both the buyer as well as seller. This is the advantage. And also the one more thing is, the purchaser will know who is the seller and what is the quality, what is the reliability of the product. And if the quality is not good, reliability of product is not reliable, he will not place the order again. If it is through middlemen may be purchased somewhere, and there may be so many links, may not be possible for the purchaser to know the source of the product. So based on the quality of the product, the purchaser can make right decisions to select the product, and that will improve the e-commerce more profitable both for purchaser as well as seller.
Okay.
This is the advantage of the e-commerce. And large suppliers, earlier, all these companies used to concentrate large suppliers and large consumers. But ONDC is concentrating on small suppliers, small sellers, and small consumers
Consumer.
or purchasers. This is the gap. This is the difference between the existing e-commerce companies and ONDC platform. Existing e-commerce companies needs a very costly digital platform, digital infrastructure, but whereas ONDC doesn't need that. That will only act as networking between the purchaser, between the seller, service provider, and the consumer. That will give reliable product to the purchaser and best price to the seller.